I wanted to quickly show you the difference between Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop. With Tableau Public, which is this, you have less data connection options, right? If you click on more, you have less options here. With Tableau Desktop, you have more data connection options, and when you click on more, you get a whole lot more data connection options. With Tableau Public, you can connect to Microsoft Excel file by default, but not a CSV file. With Tableau Desktop, you can connect to Microsoft Excel, and if you want to connect to a CSV file, you just click on more and you'll be able to connect to a CSV file. With Tableau Public, you don't have the option of more. And when you click on Microsoft Excel and choose a CSV file, it tells you that the data connection is not valid because I'm trying to connect a CSV file using a Microsoft Excel connection. So that is one difference between Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop. Another big difference is in saving stuff. So in Tableau Public, once you click on save, you can't save to your local workbook, you have to save it online. And then once you click on save, it will put what you just did online like that. On the other hand, with Tableau Desktop, once you click on save, you have different saving options. You have different options to save your workbook, and you can save your workbook locally. And you can also go to File, Save As to save. But once you're in Tableau Public, you go to File, it will tell you save to Tableau Public or save to Tableau Public As. So if you don't have a Tableau Public account, it will prompt you to create a Tableau Public account. But with Tableau Public, once you click on save, your visualization will be saved online. You can't save it locally. So yes, in a nutshell, that's the main difference between Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop, is how you are able to connect to files and how you are able to save files. See you on the next video.